Oh.
Have that charity step.
Can you blow them out?
I've waited a little long time.
Blow them out.
Blow them out. Maybe I should.
Yeah, maybe you should get on here beside her. Here, come on.
What's wrong?
I used to hate them when I was a baby.
You like bubbles?
Yeah.
Is there any bubbles in there?
Nope.
Where'd they go? Oh. Brendan, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
You're good at it. Wow.
Here's the horn.
I'm
Horn.
Mommy on.
I'll take the blower.
Or I will get your french fry.
Uh-oh.